Our worst fears are coming to life. We haven't become the person we thought we would when we were kids. Listen, I know most of your feed is negative and it's got you tense and maybe even a little fired up. But I just wanted to take a quick second and remind you, those feelings that you had when you were a child, when you were a kid, that you were put here for something special, that you've got something unique to offer the world. Well, guess what? They were true then, and they're true right now. It's not too late for you to achieve even your biggest goals. What might help you is to spend a little bit less time thinking about the negative, thinking about everything that's wrong in the world, and a little bit more time thinking the way you did when you were a kid. What if? What if I did this? What if I made this much money? What if I could help the world with a great idea? Start thinking positively. You'd be shocked at how often those what ifs become reality. If you want somebody who's a little bit more positive to start hanging out with, my name's Matt Easton. Consider giving me a follow.